Hello everyone, this video is continuation of the second scenario that we have been doing. The second scenario was closing operations perform value adjustment for overdue receivables. Okay, this is the part of the certification exam C_TS4FI. Okay, for associate level for S4 HANA Cloud Private Edition. In this edition, we are the process of solving the second task. The second task is, let's go down. Closing operations perform value adjustment for overdue receivables. So we have done with the adjustment key, and we have also done with the if we go GL. So here we have this. We started from here. Just to continue, just to go through, we are closing operation perform value adjustment for overdue receivables. First we define the valuation method, followed by valuation area, then assign valuation area of accounting principle, then we created a new value adjustment key, then we assigned it with the company code, the accounting principle, then we created what is called, this one is not required, we created the revenue, GL account. Then after creation of the revenue GL account, we created the next one is account receivable for customers. Then we went to create the tax part. So 10 is the tax code, and our tax GL is 226 times 0, and we have assigned that tax accounts to our tax code. Now we are going to create the business partner customer master. Okay, so as for our scenario, SAP wants that the new business partner with a number TS4FI has as your desired number for your company code TA03. Okay, here they have also mentioned that you can copy it from TAAC has, but this company code, if you don't find it, you can go and create your own. So no problem with that. So let's go /NBP, enter. Okay, now we'll go and click on organization. Okay, after that we will select here the role. The role is customer, FI customer, create. Okay, and the numbering will go for external alphanumeric numbering. Okay, title is company. Now this company is bike retailer. Okay, so let's go bike retailer. Then you go to search term. In the search term you can enter your company code TA03. Okay, let's go down. Here you can mention your country. We are doing German company. Region you can take 05, and you can take this is 5001. You can take the pin code. Okay, you can make it Berlin, Germany. You can make your Berlin. Okay, we have kept all the parameters as a German company, but the currency here is not German, currency is not allowed, so we'll take INR. Language will be English. Okay, after doing all this, we'll go and copy it from references. Okay, if you click here with reference, you can copy your reference. So in this case, this company code is not showing, it's not available. So we will not go and copy with the reference. If the reference is available, you can do it, copy with the reference. Here you have to enter, you have to copy the general data. That's it. Okay, so here we will go to the next one. Go to company code. So click on company code. Okay, before you company code, you have to name. SAP has defined the name TS4FI. TS4FI. So the business partner is TS4FI, and we'll make this time 03. Okay, now let's go to the company code data. In the company code data, you have to enter your company code. TA03 is our company code, and then you have to go to the change mode. Yes. Okay, now you can see the byte company has come. Company code, here you have to enter your reconciliation account. So what is our reconciliation account? If you go here, you will be able to find our reconciliation account. Yeah, this is our reconciliation account. Okay, you can copy your reconciliation account. You can copy your reconciliation account. Control V. Okay, short key. You can take 001 or you can take 009, whatever you can want. You can take 009, 009, or you can take 001, no problem. And then this is the very important value adjustment key. This is, in our case, the value adjustment key is P1. Here it is. If we go down, we'll be able to see the value adjustment key. Here it is. Value adjustment key is P1. Okay, this P1 will come in the customer master. So enter your P1. Okay, so let's go to the customer master. We are creating the customer. Okay, and okay, fine. So let's go to the screen, creating the, okay, now let's go to the payment terms. In the payment terms, we can take 000001 immediate payment, and you enter. Okay, now everything is fine. In the account management, we have added the value adjustment, short key, and the receivables account. Now we'll try to save it. First check this. So no errors, and now we can save it. Now you can see the business partner and the customer number is identical, and it is being saved. Okay, so let's take a screenshot of this one. Let's go to the general data, or you can take the screenshot of the company code. So this is how we created our customer. So let's go to the screen. Let's go down. Okay, here you can take the customer. Okay, we'll take a screen of this. Go to the screen, go to the third sheet, this. Okay, we'll minimize it a little bit. So this is very important. Copy it and minimize it. Go to sheet 2 and we'll paste it over here. So our customer as per TS4 FI03 has been as per SAP requirement. We have created it. Okay, now move on to the next one. We need to create one profit center and one cost center. So creation of profit center first. Okay. Okay. So we have already created two profit center. Here it is. We can take it from here. Creation of one cost center and one profit center. So one profit center, one cost center we have created. Remember, when you create the profit center and cost center, always remember that the validity should be, because in this scenario we will be going to the previous year, we will be going to the entry, we are going to the previous year. So therefore your cost center, profit center should be valid not for the current year, for the previous year. So it is always better to create a profit and cost center using starting year is 1900. That would be better. Okay, so let's go. So first we create a profit center. We have already created. I'll show you how we have done it. So let's come out of this. Let's go to accounting, controlling, profit center first, master data, individual processing, create profit center. Controlling area is A000. Copied it from company 1010. So K is 01, we will go to change mode. K is 02. So our profit center is, this is our profit center. So paste it over there and enter. So you can see here we created the profit center. Controlling validity. Remember, since we will be going to the previous year, the invoice will be booked for the previous year. So I have taken the validity from 1900. This will not create any problem at the time of making entries. Okay. Then you can see profit center, company code, validity, person responsible. This is profit center group and this is the segment. Okay. After doing this, we created the next one, that is called the cost center. So close on the profit center, go to the cost center. Click on cost center, click on master data, cost center, individual processing. We have already created. We will go to change mode and see. So our cost center number and profit center number, we have kept it same. So you can see here in this case also I have maintained the validity from 1st January 1900. So you will not have any problem. This cost center will be valid throughout for the previous year. And in the control point, this has to be unticked. Otherwise it will be locked. Save it. So this is how we have created one profit center and one cost center. Okay. So for profit center you can use T code. One second, that is KE51 and cost center KS01. Okay, let's go and check /n KE51, enter. Okay, you can see the profit center. Okay, so cost center, profit center is done. Now we will be going to make the postings. So we'll go to the testing phase now. Postings. Customer invoice posting using T code. FB70. Okay. Now regarding the customer creation, you can also use the help of the app to create your customer master. In case if you want to create your customer master using the Fiori app, you can also do that. One second, let me take some small space from here. Insert. If you want, I'll show you how to create. So this is the transaction code to go to the Fiori. You can copy this transaction code and go to the server. Okay, in the command box enter the Fiori app transaction code, that is /n UI2/FLP, enter. A prompt will appear, click on allow, enter the user ID and the password, enter. Okay, if you don't see your app, if you can scroll down, you can scroll down. Okay, you can see here, this is the app, manage business partner. This is the app that you should use. If you don't find it, go to recently used, or you can add tiles and you could type. Okay, recently used, most of the commonly used, that is why it will appear. If you don't get in the app, if the app doesn't come, or you can click on add tiles and search for manage business partner. Okay, now if you click on manage business partner, see, it is business partner screen will open, and if you want to create your business partner, here's the option. You can click on create, select whether person, organization, click on it, and you will able to create your business partner. Same thing, general data, standard address, everything is same. Okay, if you want to check it on the cloud. Okay, and if you want to check the existing business partners, you can also check there. Just come out once, manage business partners, click here. Okay, so you can check. If you click here, you will able to click here. Okay, you can see the business partners that have been already been there, and if you go further down, slowly go down, you will able to see your business partner that we have been created just now. See, you can see here this business partner just we have created, bike retailer. Okay, that's it. So you can do it from Fiori end also. Now let's go back to the screen. Now let's go to GUI. In the GUI, we will do the post two customer invoices. One will be on 15 November previous year, and another is on 15 September previous year. Okay, so we are in 2026. We are making this entry in the previous year 2025, posting of invoices, and this is the revenue account. So let's go. First one is we are going to post it on 15 November previous year. /n FB70. Okay, invoice. First you have to enter the customer. So you can see here customer. Invoice date, remember 15th November 2025. Posting date 15 November 2025. Okay. Amount. So how much amount? How much amount they are saying? 11,000 euros. Okay. 11,000 euros they are saying. Okay, now let's go. We'll take 11,000 INR. Okay, 11,000 INR. Click on calculate tax. Don't worry, enter. Again, enter. It will take everything. Tax part. You can say output tax. This is our tax. Customer invoice. Okay, customer invoice. GL account, it's already there. GL account, this one, our revenue account, we have already created 41 3 times 0 500. 41 41 3 times 0 and 500. Okay, and 11,000 instead of euros I'm making it INR. 11,000 INR. Okay, then tap customer invoice. Customer invoice. Okay, now enter. Okay, net due date, don't worry, keep on entering. Okay, now you can see minus 1,100 because this tax is being calculated on the net amount. On the on the net amount. But you can see here they are saying that it should be calculated as gross. 11,000 is gross. Gross means including of tax. Okay. Now what we will do in that situation, you go here and go to edit options, and in the edit option select once and save it. Come out. Now you can see that the tax is inclusive of tax. Okay, inclusive of tax. After that you simulate. So it is inclusive of tax, gross amount, not net, not on net. And you can double click here and could enter here customer invoice. And then you come out and you save it. Your document number has been created. So copy the document number. Controls. Document number. This is the document number. Right, now let's go back again. We have to click another one on 15th September. Everything same amount, 11,000 gross. Means inclusive of tax, not on net. Okay, 15th September. So let's go. /NFB70. Same customer. Invoice date 15 September. Okay. The amount is 11,000. Okay. Calculate tax. Enter. Enter. Customer invoice. GL. Something like 41. Yeah, this one. So 11,000. Sorry. 11,000. Customer invoice. Okay, enter. Enter. Okay. So now the tax has been calculated. Everything is fine. 15 September. And then simulate. Okay. Some error is there. Let's come out. Okay. And customer invoice. Come out of this and you save it. So another document has been created. So this is the second document. Okay. So now the entries have been done. Now we'll go for valuation run using the Fiori app. So for this we have to go to Fiori and we will continue with this in our next video. Thank you.